Hey everyone! Welcome to Canada Immigration Updates. In today's video, I will be providing you with what counts as Canada Proof of Funds and the amount you will provide for your application process to Canada. What is Proof of Funds? Proof of Funds is how you show Immigration, Refugee and Citizenship Canada that you have enough money to settle in Canada. Who needs proof of funds? You need proof of funds to meet the minimum requirements of the Federal Skilled Worker Program, Federal Skilled Trades Program, and Provincial Nominee Programs. How much money do you need to provide? The amount of money you need to support your family depends on the size of your family. To calculate the size of your family, you must include 1. Yourself. 2. Your spouse or partner. 3. Your dependent children and 4. Your spouse's dependent children. Include your spouse or dependent children even if they're 1. Permanent residents or Canadian citizens. 2. Not coming to Canada with you. The following are highlights of a proof of funds depending on your family size. 1. For a family of 1, your proof of funds is 13,310 Canadian dollars. 2. For a family of 2 members, your proof of funds is 16,570 Canadian dollars. 3. For a family of 3 members, your proof of funds is 20,371 Canadian dollars. 4. For a family of 4 members, your proof of funds is 24,733 Canadian dollars. 5. For a family of 5 members, your proof of funds is 28,052 Canadian dollars. 6. For a family of 6 members, your proof of funds is 31,638 Canadian dollars. 7. For a family of 7 members, your proof of funds is 35,224 Canadian dollars, and for each additional family member, you will provide an additional 3,586 Canadian dollars. What do Canada Immigration and Refugees accept as proof of funds? Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada accept proof of funds as funds that is readily available to you. For example, you can't use equity on real property as proof of settlement funds. You also can't borrow this money from another person. You must be able to use this money to pay the costs of living for your family, even if they aren't coming with you. If your spouse is coming with you, you can count money you have together in a joint account. You may be able to count money in an account under their name only, but you must prove you have access to the money. The funds must be available both when you apply and when Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada issue you a permanent resident visa. You must prove to an immigration officer that you can legally access the money to use in Canada when you arrive. For proof, you must get official letters from any banks or financial institutions where you're keeping money. Letters must 1. Be printed on the financial institution's letterhead. 2. Include their contact information, address, telephone number, and email address. 3. Include your name. 4. List outstanding debts such as credit card debts and loans. 5. Include, for each current bank and investment account, the account numbers, date each account was opened, current balance of each account, average balance for the past 6 months, how much money you should bring. Research how much it costs to live in the place where you plan to settle in Canada. Bring as much money as you can. This will make moving and finding a home in Canada easier. When you arrive in Canada, you have to tell the border officer if you're bringing more than 10,000 Canadian dollars into Canada. You may also need to provide documents that guarantee payment of a set amount of money, which are payable to you, such as 1. Banker's drafts. 2. Checks. 3. Money orders. 4. Traveler's checks. To summarize, if Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada (IRCC) invites you to apply, you must give written proof that you have the required money to enable you settle successfully in Canada. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching.